Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel FunmiAjalaTravels. Today we are going to learn a bit about drums and some traditional musical instruments, and a delight at the end of the clip. The drums are a great part of the Olojo festival. Everywhere you turn, there seems to be a drummer. But the most prominent group are the Onilu Oni, that is, the Oni's drummers, led by the Otun Onilu of Ife. He is differentiated by his title, which is worn round his neck, and his talking drum called Shawaride, which is laced with bells that jingles with the words coming out of the drum. According to Yoruba myth, it is believed that the deities, also known as Òrìsàs, brought the drums into being during their earthly lives. They loved to dance to the beat of the drums. Oral tradition says some of these drums were originally human beings. According to the Yorubas, the Òrìsàs or deities once danced on earth, and the drum was once human. Ayan was an Òrìsà worshipped by the ancestors of the Yoruba people and thereby considered as the Yoruba god of drum and music. Drums like bata and gongon are drums used in Yoruba religious worship, and some are strictly attached to ritual and ceremonial events. This particular group is known as the Elewo Oni. The instrument which they are beating is known as Ewo. It consists of a long pair rod, a rod like iron, which is beaten against a triangular shaped flat iron, and this brings out the music from it. And yes, so this group is divided into three, and it's mainly males. I was being told there's a myth around it that females do not beat the Ewo. So my thought is, what a man can do, a woman can do better. Whatever, we all have myth and cultures around the Yoruba issues. But this group as the smaller group, the small group, which consists of boys between the ages of 3 and 15, and then you have the Olosigiri, which are young age men, and then you have this particular Elewo Oni, which are the adults group, which consists of the adults in the group. So these are all part of the traditional music that is being played for the Oni every day. These are the different forms of musical instruments you hear from the palace every day. Isn't she a delight? Yes, she was the delight of the evening, the main attraction of the evening, and the second as well, which is the main Ology day. Truly, it is said what a man can do, a woman can do better. Until next time, thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, share, like, and next we'll talk about different cultures, different places, different travels. So keep sharing, keep talking about it, and do comment. Thank you very much for your time.